Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to have an introduction on disjoint set. Again, this is also a data structure, okay, where two sets are called disjoint sets if they don't have any elements in common. You already heard about some subsets and all, right? So if there are two sets, you can call them disjoint sets if the elements which are there in that particular subsets, right, they don't have anything in common. That is when you can call them disjoint sets. In other words, a data structure that stores disjoint subsets of element is called disjoint set data structure. And what is disjoint subset? That we already understood, the sets which don't have any element in common. Okay, now what kind of operation does this data structure supports? It supports adding new elements to the disjoint set, merging disjoint sets, finding representative of the disjoint set, and checking if two sets are disjoint or not. And for these operation of merging disjoint set or finding representative of a disjoint set, right, it is actually part of union find algorithm. So there's a specific algorithm to, for the logic of it, and for all that calculation that goes beyond the logic. There are a particular use case again for this one as well. I cannot just take a random example and show you it here. Again that will go beyond the introduction. So currently I don't want to solve any problems over it, but for introduction sake, this is good enough. I have explained you what is a disjoint set. A data structure that stores disjoint subsets of element is called disjoint set, and the operations that we support here. That was a very brief introduction on disjoint set. Although there is a lot to explore in that area, and also there are a lot of problems to solve through this data structure, and that we are going to explore in some different video. But that's all as part of this video. See you in the next one.